we
Can
want?
we get 10 $5 breakfast?
What's this thing?
Kill them all, bro. Kill them all, bro.
Kill them all, bro.
Hey, come.
What's up, baby?
Let's go, mate. Fuck, get in, mate. Get the fuck in, mate. Sabo.
Baby.
What the fuck are you doing in my area, man?
Ooh, what's up, baby?
Let's go, man. Good to see you, brother.
But I told the boys, I was like, oh, I'm going to be filming with Jaden.
Man.
So the boys are keen too.
Reese Brothers.
Yeah, they got
beautiful.
nothing planned even though.
Beautiful.
But they're just like, yeah, keen.
We'll link up and have a beat.
Just fun.
And
See,
then
that's it.
That's a
the way to
brainstorm,
do it,
bro. We'll just
Go
talk
to
some.
breakfast.
That's it. Actually, talking about breakfast. Silly. What's the cheapest breakfast you ever had?
Stray, you can get a $2 breakfast at Ikea, bro. That's me, baby. Let's get it. That's taxes included, bro. So it's not $2.
No way.
It's just
Solid.
straight up $2.
Is this Australia?
Yeah.
We got a $5 medium.
Bro, we're going there tomorrow.
$2 breakfast.
We're getting a $2. Bro, the $5 one's crazy.
Look what they come
Is that $2? Is that $2?
$2, lad.
How? There's fucking baked beans. There's even 2 sausages, bro. What the f?
That's mad, eh?
How?
Bro, in NZ, that'll be $20, bro.
Bro.
How many reckon you get? How many reckon you can eat?
I could do 2. Like,
$4? Oh, fuck, don't break the bank too much, bro. I reckon they're gonna cancel it after we go.
Have you hit the gym today already?
Today, rest day, because I trained yesterday.
Oh, yeah, so that's why you're all recovery.
Yeah, well, that's why I want to do ice bath and that today.
Yeah. I could just do a quick pump.
Bro, do whatever. I'll go in there, I'll do some mobility.
Oh, yeah,
I'll do some stretching, we'll muck around, talk some shit. We're currently at the Zone Gym. This is where I did my last weight cut for my last strongman competition. But we're coming in and we're going to do some recovery because yesterday's session was a bit how's it going on the body. We brought Jimi Jackson. Jimi Jackson's going to do a little bit of weights right now. We're going to just pump out some ice bath and some little bit of sauna. So we're going to be in and out. It's only going to be a short little session. Oi. All right, let's go. Time's on. Let's go. We've developed a little bit of perspiration, as some may call it.
Round 1.
2, 1. Let's go. All right, time's on. Don't put your hands in. Okay. Yeah, it's good. So bring it on me. That's 30 seconds down. This is my natural habitat. This is where I belong. I actually love it here. That's a minute 10 done. 45 seconds, 45 seconds. 30 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, that bottle of water. Chris, can you get that bottle of water, please? Yep. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, brother.
Round 2.
My cousin.
My cousin.
Me and you. Yes, me and you. Let's go. The spot's right there. Let's go. Jump straight in. That's it. That's it. That's it. I thought the water was way colder than NZ. Three, 2, 1, let's go. We'll make it off.
Good day too, bro. So it's clear as fucking. I love you. I love you, Melissa. Let's go get a feed, eh? Yeah. You can? He's hungry?
Alright, that looks the goods.
We just had fun.
Much. Oh, that looks amazing.
Oh, mate, perfect.
That looks good.
Bro, no way I'll do that. Are you gonna eat this?
Bro, I was just sort of joking.
That's crazy. Nah.
Bon appetit, Chris.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I wish I was eating that. Nice.
Nah, you're uni.
Thank you so much. Have a nice night.
Thank you.
Deal done, deal. Solid. Thank you so much. Take care, Uzo.
Likewise, brother. Love you.
Have a good one.
See you later, my brothers. I'll see you tomorrow.
Later, mate. Jimi Jackson, eh? Jimi Jackson. Yeah, that's us tomorrow. We'll film tomorrow and run amok and that and do some funny shit. That's us. Can I get 100 $2 breakfast?
Wow.
$2 breakfast! Oh my gosh, man. It's my dream.
Fluffy scrambled eggs.
Hey, don't be greedy, man.
What? Chicken and cheese double bacon McMuffin. Double
Burger.
beef and bacon burger.
And a chicken and cheese used to be on the $2 menu at McDonald's.
Oh, that's
Used to.
great. Used to,
Yeah,
yeah. When I was at school, McDonald's used to do $1 cheeseburger.
If you're an islander, you know, you had the whole family. Bro, the whole family has breakfast for $20. Oh. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the chef to make 30 breakfasts. Follow me, man.
Oh, yeah, we'll do it.
Yep. Whoa. Dude.
That's amazing. What are you here for?
$2 breakfast.
When do we want it?
Right now.
That is amazing. That's $2. This one's $5. That, yeah, I think we're gonna get $5.
Yeah. Oh, I want a breakfast.
Continue to move.
Oh, there's a $3.50 one, there's an $8 one, there's a $2 one. There's a
What is it? Springvale? Spring? North Lakes? Come on. Try and take this moment. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. Jump in for the next one.
I don't know what song this is.
Get out of my face, bro. This is what dreams are made of.
Nah, I've lost it.
Oh my gosh, bro. Do you even have a childhood, man?
What can I get for you today?
I'll get a. Can I get a $5 one?
Yeah.
A $5 breakfast?
Yeah.
Breakfast do we
Can
want?
we get 10 $5 breakfasts, please?
Now for you.
See how I order? I just come in straight away. This guy, can I get come on, man. Wow, you've done this before. That looks phenomenal. That's what it's all about.
Can I get more eggs, please?
What are you getting? What are you getting? Which one? $2 or $5? $5? That's it, mate. You got to get the protein in, man.
Come on, man.
11 big breakfasts.
What about 20?
No, because the big boss here wants one.
We're gonna pay for the boss's one.
11.
Yeah, my grandson did.
Oh, $10. 12. Give me 12.
Right, this is crazy.
Oh, really? Yeah. This will get. Thank you very much. No worries, man. My name's Jaden.
David.
Jaden.
I'm Jaden. I'm Fred.
Nice to meet you, friend. Oh, thanks for your help. Have a good morning.
Thank you
Take
so
care.
much, guys.
Enjoy your wow.
This is amazing.
You reckon that's going to fall?
12 big breakfasts and two $2 breakfasts. 12 big breakfasts and two $2 breakfasts. What? That's one.
Nice.
Thank you. That's crazy. Thanks, Dad. Thank you so much, man.
You're good, bro. You got it?
Thank you. How old? Come on, tell the camera.
91.
This guy's 91 years old. Wow.
Yeah, no,
You're a beast, mate. I hope I'm eating big breakfast at 91.
Let's us again, Yeah. Before someone else does it.
Are you ready? No. Thank you, Lord, for that seeing next beautiful day. It's great to each one of our lives, Lord. I'm grateful that we can see and enjoy this meal together, Lord. Pray that you bless the hands that prepare this meal. Thank you for everything. Amen.
Amen.
Shop for the Finos.
Hey, shop lovers.
For $2, you can get that. $5,
I'm not gonna
you get
lie,
the
I was
hash
just
brown
about to
as
take the
well.
drinks. Yesterday morning, G. So I got in there around 8 o'clock, and then I went and filmed with the Reese Boys. The Reese Bros. Yeah. And then filmed with them till like
Bye.
4. And then
That's so good.
That looks so good.
Think about how much family you could feed with this breakfast. They must not make money off this, eh?
They want to get you in here to buy furniture.
yeah. But we're only coming for the food.
Correct.
Yeah.
So unlimited refills are $2 as well. Oh my god. Bro, I'm just about to finish one,
We're so good.
and I actually feel quite satisfied. Like, on a normal day,
It's a bit crazy, eh? Like, how
I'll
do you
come in.
make money?
I'll just buy two. You'll be sweet.
$10.
$10, perfect breakfast.
And, like, that's a mean feed.
Yeah, mouth food.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat one more. Yeah, I'll eat one more because I've got a comp coming up in 4 weeks. Thank you. I've got a comp coming up in 4 weeks.
Yum.
This one I'm gonna eat really fast. Okay, ready, Chris? This one's gonna be speed round. We'll have a race. Who can eat the fastest?
I'm no way.
Ah, you ruined it. You ruined the video. He ruined the YouTube video. Okay, ready? Let's see how fast I can get this down.
Athlete ready?
Ready.
Go.
That's crazy, man. I can't
Time.
get it.
What was that, Chris? What do you reckon? That's about 2 minutes? 2 minutes, eh? That wasn't too bad. The bacon got me. I should have actually just eaten the bacon one at a time instead of rolling it up and putting it in all in my mouth.
Yeah, it's hard
That
to
stuffed
get
me
away.
out. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. How good is that, eh?
Bro, like, are you still hungry?
What was that?
Are you still hungry?
Yeah, still hungry, yeah, but I'm okay.
Are you guys recording? Is it all good? Can I take a photo?
Yeah, let's go on. You want a breakfast? You want a breakfast? You want a breakfast?
Oh, man. You put your dirty dishes there.
Oh, let's go do it.
But you gotta put it on the tray and then on there. Yeah.
And the guy back there is like, hell! Stop bringing so fast!
Actual.
We're living in the future, guys. We're living in the future, man.
Oh, this is crazy.
This is the future, man. Here as well.
Nah, I'm just...
That was the best breakfast ever.
That was so good, bro.
12 big breakfasts. We shouted 2 people breakfast. We got 12 plates of breakfast. Oh, it says eggs are down there. Do I have to go down there? But yeah, a very successful breakfast. If you have a large family, and you know, because bro, if you think about it, right? Let's say you went to a cafe with all of your family. That's $20, $30 a head at least. At least, to be honest. Actually, to be honest, if you were to get a big brekkie at a cafe, that's like $25, $30 right there. Then they're gonna get a drink. That's about $35. That's $35 a head at a cafe.
Yeah, for
Whereas
one drink, you think-
for here, $2 refill, $5 big breakfast. That's $7 a head. How crazy.
Then you've got like $200 items over there.
Yeah, but who's... No one came here for this. Bro, they're tricking us, man. They want us to buy more stuff.
Gee, why are we following this guy?
How did we get out of here? How was your breakfast, man?
Yeah, it was good. How was
Good, eh?
yours?
So good, eh? Stop. Oh, you gotta get the savings, man. Is that the exit?
Where are you going? Oh, true.
How do I get out of here? The door locks behind us and they're like, welcome to the sales room. Everything is 20% off.
You reckon it's extra?
Nah.
Help! Help! No, actually, how do we get out of here? I actually want to get out. I don't want to be here.
That's how they get you.
I actually don't want to be here. I actually want to leave. I actually have a lot of stuff to do today. I have to train at 4. Like, I need to leave.
Back to the elevator, right?
Nah, he would have said...
I'm gonna get annoyed.
Exit, checkouts, exit. Just go through there. Oh, we actually need like a chopping board. Oh, $12. How much is it at Bunnings in that? I actually want to leave. I actually have a lot of stuff to do today.
Nick, minute.
Bro, they actually got some stuff that we need.
Like, we're never getting out of here. Like, you're stopping it.
Let's get out of here. Nah, let's get out of here. Let's run, let's run.
Nah, I feel like you're gonna get us lost again.
Guys, if you want the $2 breakfast, you have to do a 10-kilometer hike. Oh man, this is horrible. I wanna go home. Nah, I think that was the right way. I think you're actually right, Sully.
I was right.
Yeah. There.
That's Tidal.
That was the quick way.
Huh? I just want to leave. We actually should have went through that door. That was the right door. Whoever called that, you were right all along. Whoever called that, you were right all along.
Check out.
So that's 14. 14? 16?
That's actually a fire hazard. I swear this is a fire hazard.
She said follow the arrows. There's no arrows there. No, there's no. Nah, this is the exit here where the big shelves are.
Hey, we're here.
You just missed me, Six. Come in. He's like right now. For real? Yeah. You guys just now? You see. If anyone in Brisbane area is actually looking for a vehicle, come to this dealership and they'll actually look after you in terms of like buying a car, also financing a car. So like if you got bad credit and stuff like that, these guys will actually be able to help out with that kind of stuff. So a lot of people don't know that like Uber Eats, Sportsbet, all of that stuff actually contributes to your credit score, and it actually makes finance companies not really want to work with you if you do that kind of stuff. Like everyone does, but if you go to like this place, they'll actually have ways around it and like kind of help you out with your credit score and actually help you finance a car. So yeah, if you're looking for a car, Cricks Highway, Brisbane, if you just mention my name, say Jaden, they'll actually look after you. So beautiful.
Sweet, bro. So we'll lock the car.
Oh, yep.
Grabbing the handle. Obviously, when you're close, we'll unlock it.
Awesome. Much, man. Appreciate you. No problem. Have a good one. Jump in, lads. Jump in. Let's test her out. Oi!
Full iPad on now.
It's massive, eh?
Yeah, brother. How are ya? Good. How are you? Yeah, good.
Oosh.
Yeah, no. Oh, legend.
How are you, brother? Good to see you again.
How are you, bro? So hectic.
How are you, bro? Good.
This morning.
Yo.
Let's go. Good. How are you, dog?
Good, brother. We good. Yeah, that's perfect. That's it right there, lad. Where's my handcuffs, man? Where's my handcuffs?
Dodo's name.
Stop in the name of love before you break my heart.
Lost in red stripes. You know how fast you're going back there, sir? Bro, if I was a car, I'd be the biggest dickhead, bro. Where's your hat? I'm trying to look like a hottie. Police officer. Freshman as shit.
We're gonna look different.
Nah. I look like a hottie. You want all the comments, who's the sexy officer?
And does that go? What the f
I'll put it on back.
Yeah, run it. No, do that.
No, that's gonna look gay, bro.
You look like a.
That looks like a chef.
You look YMCA.
Detective Courts, we got another GT14 classified. What do you think we should do?
First off, let's go get some donuts.
I like the way you do business. So what about that break and enter we had last week? Am I right? That break and enter?
I got nothing for you, man.
This guy's a shit improvisation, man. This guy's just like, I don't know what to say. Anything you say or do will remember. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do will be used in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you choose to not have an attorney, we will issue you with one.
What's up with your partner, man? Is he new?
Asshole, bro. This guy comes out of the academy, thinks he can go straight into the field.
You wouldn't last a day on the streets, asshole.
Man, stop this guy, man. Bro, we just keep getting moved, bro. Like these guys, we're cops, man. Why do they keep moving us out?
You personally, police officer. You know that's up to 3 to 5 years in jail. You know that, right?
Man, shut the hell up. Bro, I thought we were partners, bro. I'm out, man. I'm gonna break some laws.
I told you in the academy. If I have to leave you behind, I will. I swore an oath to protect and serve. This is my duty of care.
Pass me the vape.
Do you vape? Good fake ass police officer.
I can't use this, bro. I want to use.
Gee, why are you saying it to me, bro? I'm your partner, bro. Freaking hell.
Come on, man.
I'm not a pedestrian, bro.
Good. Pedestrian. Pedestrian. He means civilian. He said pedestrian. He said pedestrian. He meant civilian.
Hey, at this point, I feel like I'm getting bullied.
He passed the academy. This guy didn't pass the academy, man.
Oh,
This guy, man.
what academy are you talking about?
You ain't a cop. You a mall cop. Paul Blart looking ass, bro.
I watched it while we were filming that video one time.
You know how long your hair is, sir? You can't walk around with your hair over 14 inches around here, sir.
Oh, look at him.
Alright, we'll get these boys over here.
Yeah, that's it.
Over here. Yeah. Yeah, you'll be on the.
Run! Stop resisting! Stop resisting!
You look so good, dog.
So you need to do an Aussie accent, man. You sound like Kiwi, man. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Stop resisting!
That's it. That's all we need. Stop resisting, mate.
Yeah.
You got to get into character, man.
And then Jimmy, run.
Stop resisting, mate! Stop resisting, mate! Stop!
Oh, man. I need to go gym soon, man. This guy's shit at acting, man. This guy's the worst actor I've ever seen, man.
I'm just a barber, man.
3, 2, 1.
Let's show him why Australia is the more superior country.
That was so fun. I can took a plane, mate.
Yeah,
Cheapest.
it's a meat pie.
Jimmy, you're going to be back in the same position?
Yeah.
So you don't want your chest to look like a pie. You want it to look like a rib eye, not a eye. So you got to work on that one, man. What you need is a little bit of pec flies, couple little incline bench press, build that pectoralis minor, a little bit of lower anterior serratus, some flies and shit, and you be good, man.
So yeah, Jimmy, you're going to be on the ground.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, action.
Holy crap.
Alright, while you're down there, I might just quickly get the
I just shoved it in there. Oh my god.
No, I knew you was gonna do that. Pull that grass off, bro. Yep. Nice ball.
You even go.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
That's good as.
You like pause for a bit and you're like,
Take it off now. Get some sunlight onto your skin, man. Come on.
pressure.
You just want to see me.
That vitamin D, my bro.
So you just pulled it out.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Who do you want a photo of? These two boys.
Yeah, what a legend.
We'll have to come to New Zealand,
Okay, we're now at the gymnasium. I've got a little workout that I got to complete today. I had a rubbish sleep last night, so I'm actually tired as. But nobody cares if you're tired, you know? Tell someone you're tired, see how much they care. Go up to someone and go, I'm really tired. And I guarantee you, they don't give a flying fetch. No one cares. You know what? A lot of people are tired, no one cares. You know what they care about? Results. That's what people care about. Get in here, get it done. It's always better when you push through it than when you cry about it. Now, this is gonna hurt because I'm feeling pretty tight today, even though I had a massage and ice bath yesterday. Oh man, that's not even sitting on my shoulders, that's sitting on my fingers. Oh my gosh. That felt horrible, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'd rather do something than do nothing. Don't jump your bunch of conjugation. Don't bench your bunch of bench. Finger fingers. It is a explosive movement with a combination of legs and shoulders. You want to keep your arms locked out so you're not lifting it with your shoulders. But once you've picked it up, then it's about keeping your arms straight. You want to keep that movement driving all from your legs. Core, lower back, glutes, hammies. This is like replicating a clean and jerk, I would say. Well, actually, not clean and jerk. Well, actually, yeah. No, like a thruster. You're throwing up, you're getting under, boom, you're exploding. 3, 2, 1.
That's heavy.
Yeah, it is heavy. I like it. Good. That's 1. Good. That's 2. 3. 4. 5, 6. 5. Bring it home. Good. Great set, lad. That one, let's give it 1 flip. See what happens.
1 flip?
Yeah, we'll do it together though.
Yeah.
You got. Beautiful.
All right.
Okay. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. We got it! It came out! Bloody beautiful, man.
Bro, my strap. Bro, my strap.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
Come on. Let's go. Come on.
15, 20. Let's G up here. Let's get it. Oh, much better. 2, 3. Let's go. G up here.
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Nice.
2, 3.
One more.
6, 7, 20. That's it. Good shit, brother. 1, 2, 3.
1.
Thank you, bro. 40. Come on. 15. Bottle. You legend. Good shit, bro. It's good dig. Good dig. I love it. I love it. Oh, man. Thank you, bro. Oh, bro. I do reckon these bulletproof your back, bro.
Facts.
I honestly reckon they. If you do these religiously.
Hey, what the hell is this song?
Hey! What's this song? Hey!
Right, what does
Hey!
that, right, what does that mean?
What does what mean? Let's get it done. I want my dinner.
Let's go. Come
I
on.
want my dinner. 1, 3, 1.
Ah. Back.
Hey! What's this song?
Oh, shucks, bro.
Liar! Liar! I thought it was fainting. No. Oh, is it here?
Let's go.
I thought it was fainting.
I thought my foot was going to fucking... I thought my hamstring was going to full just snap.
Two.
Come on.
1.
Beautiful.
Turn this music off. I don't want to get copyrighted. All right. Thanks for the session. Thanks for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe. Really helps with the algorithm. Comment down below how long you think you could hold a dig hang for. Catch you on the flip. Take care. Later. Catch up with you. What a session. Take care, brother.